means that conditions are favorable for the This is a tornado warning message. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a tornado warning for South Central Buffalo County, Northwestern Kearney County, Eastern Phelps County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Funk, or 5 miles northeast of Oldridge, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Kearney, Odessa, and Riverdale. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 261 and 281. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Buffalo, Kearney, and Phelps. This is a tornado watch message.